Giraffes are more than just tall, they're full of wild surprises. Let's dive into some giraffe facts you won't believe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on Earth. Males can reach up to 18 feet, and their legs alone are taller than most humans. But being tall has its downsides. Giraffes have to splay their legs awkwardly just to take a drink. They may look slow, but giraffes can run at 35 miles per hour in short bursts. That's faster than a racehorse at full gallop. Male giraffes battle for dominance by swinging their necks like giant hammers. It's called necking. And it's both weird and powerful. And get this, their tongues are over 18 inches long and blue-black in color to prevent sunburn while they munch on trees all day. Giraffes are tall, tough, and surprisingly graceful.